Welcome to the next question in our CK mock question series.
Now change the context. We need to do the SSH and control plane node with this. Check how the control and plane nodes component works. K get nodes SSH. K get pods hyphen and cube system. Okay, now we have an idea how does it looks. So vi copy this, paste it here. Now we're gonna do some formatting as they're requesting. In the same format we're gonna provide the answer. Let's do this. Cube scheduler, cube control manager, the etcd. Okay, the kubelet. What are the types they are expecting? It's the process or pod or not installed. Kubelet is running as a process, as we all know. If required, I can show you a static pod, because their manifest files are mentioned over etc Kubernetes manifest. All the this is also running as a static pod. This is also a static pod. This is also a static pod. What's the type? Sorry, this is also a pod. It is, what is the name of that? Is CodeEMS. These all are running as a pod.
Thank you for watching. See you in next video.